Hello there! Today, we're exploring adverbs of frequency, the words that help you express how often something happens. So, what exactly are adverbs of frequency? These are words that indicate how often an action occurs. Some common ones include always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never. Let's check out some examples. Example 1. I always wake up early. The word always shows that this action happens 100% of the time. Example 2. She sometimes eats breakfast. Sometimes means the action happens occasionally, not every day. Most of the time, these adverbs come before the main verb, like I usually drink coffee in the morning. But if the verb is to be, the adverb comes after the verb. She is always happy. Now, let's test your skills. Fill in the blank. He blank forgets his homework. Comment your answer below. Good job! I hope this video helps you better understand about adverbs of frequency. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye now!